Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to unpin someone on Snapchat. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app and go to the messages area by clicking the chat button at the lower part of your screen. So now as you can see in our conversation with work 2, there's this pin icon, right? So that means that that conversation is pinned on my Snapchat. So to unpin that, I want you to do is to long press on that conversation and click on chat settings. But if you don't have the chat settings, you want to click on the more option, okay? So now just go ahead and click on Unpin Conversation. So as you can see that the pin icon is removed there, right? So that means that conversation is unpinned on my Snapchat. So that's it. That is how you unpin someone on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.